We'll guide you through how to make map zoom animation video in CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch the Windows Start menu on your computer and locate CapCut by typing its name into the search field. Open the CapCut editor from the search results and wait until the editing interface is fully ready before continuing. Start a new editing session or load a previously saved project, depending on your needs. Bring the map image or map video into the media panel, then add the map clip to the timeline. Select the map layer to display its editing options and ensure it is ready for animation. Place the playhead at the beginning of the clip and make sure the entire map is visible in the preview window before starting the animation. Insert an initial keyframe for the map's transform properties to create the starting point of the zoom effect. Move the playhead to a later point where the zoom should finish. Increase the map scale setting to focus on your chosen location while maintaining a smooth transition. Reposition the map so the destination remains centered on the screen, making it easier for viewers to follow the movement. Allow CapCut to generate a new keyframe automatically after the transform values have been changed. Repeat the zoom and reposition process with additional keyframes. Play back the sequence to evaluate the camera movement and check whether the zoom animation looks smooth from one keyframe to the next. Preview the sequence again after each adjustment to confirm the transitions remain smooth and the selected locations stay centered throughout the animation. Watch the full animation from beginning to end to verify the final result and ensure every zoom movement appears accurate. Once you are satisfied with the completed animation, save the project to retain the finished map zoom effect along with all other editing changes.